Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before watching video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. In today's video, I'm going to show you the bottle art. Materials we need are the woolen thread, a bottle and some decorative stickers, ribbons. Here I have used a blue color bow and a foam flowers and some kundans. Start from the bottom of the bottle, glue over some part of the bottle and start sticking thread on it. After completely winding the bottle, start decorating it as per your requirement. Don't forget to share your work with me on my Instagram account. At the last of the video, I have shown one more bottle. There I have used the washi tapes and colorful threads to decorate the bottle and used it as a messenger bottle. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, please don't forget to comment and I will see you in the next video.